Hey guys, welcome back to Sheila and Steph. Sheila here, and for today's vlog, it's gonna be about last Sunday's Easter celebration. So happy Easter, guys! I mean, belated happy Easter. So if you want to know what went down and how we celebrated it, just keep on watching.
Are you ready to find eggs? Yes? To go egg hunt? We're here, Amma! Huh? Where's Amma?
So I prepared this Easter basket for Riley. I actually reused this basket from a PR box, and then I just put some toys and books and also cookies, these Easter cookies from here. And there, spaghetti for all the kids. I also did a tablescape for the kids. I just put some stuffed animals and cookies and chocolates and egg chocolates, actually egg milk chocolates, and I put those. Since wala kaming masyadong household help that day, I opted for paper plates and disposable cutleries, and these are actually hard-boiled eggs. I colored them that morning and I put their names on it using edible markers.
Yeah. Here! Hi, Riley! Bless Amma first! Bless Amma! Bless Amma! Wait, bless Amma! What is that? Huh? That's your seat, yeah. You want to eat already? Huh? You want chocolate? Okay, you get one. Just one, okay? Okay, let's find the eggs. Go. Go find the eggs, eh? Let's go. Come. Let's go, Riley. Agoy, nagkaon pag chocolate. Come. Go get the eggs. There. You find it? Wow, you found it. Okay, you put it in your basket. Let's open it later. Later. You get more. You get more eggs. You get more eggs.
There. There's more. Yay! You found more. What else? Is there more? Huh? Wow! Okay.
The eggs that I got for Riley are actually egg surprise toys. Since I don't want him to eat a lot of chocolates and candy, so I offer yung mga toys tsaka yung clay yung laman niya. Ayan. Look at how cute the bunny headbands that I made from scratch. I actually just drawn a shape of the bunny and then kinat ko siya, then put some colored paper and use markers para dun sa eyes and mouth. Riley had so much fun egg hunting, and it was such a treat to watch him having so much fun that afternoon, and I guess we have to do this annually.
Are you having fun? You answer. Look at the camera. Huh? You show your bunny. Show your new bunny. Where? There. It's so cute, right? What are you eating? You're eating a cookie? What kind of cookie is that? Can you show it? Can you show it your cookie? It's a cookie egg. Huh? Oh, and also hot dog. Oh, wait na. Pawis na. Huh? You're so sweaty now.
So this is our egg painting area, at ginamit ko yung ice tray para dun ko ilagay yung mga paint, and we'll be using Q-tips, and I opted for a paper instead of the actual eggs. So I just draw egg shape na may mga drawings, and they painted it, and they really loved it and enjoyed painting it. And right here is another activity for the kids. I really love this one. I saw this one from, I think, Pinterest or YouTube, and it's a bunny greeting card. Ayan.
Cotton. There. Good job. There. More. You press it. You press it down. More. You fill it all with cotton.
So for this bunny greeting card artwork, I got most of the supplies from Expressions, and the kids really enjoyed making their own greeting cards. They get to make tig-isa sila ng gawa. And they choose the colors, and it was so fun just to stick the cotton with the glue on the cardboard paper, and they really loved it.
You get the eyes. You get a pair of eyes. You want the big or small? You want big or small? Big? Okay. Put the eyes there. Okay. No? That one? Look at the eyes. No? What color of the whiskers do you like? Blue or green? Blue? Okay, blue. Let's put the whiskers here. Like that. Okay, let's stick it.
You want other friend?
Oh, mommy's funny. Huh? Mommy's funny. I'm a bunny. The sound. Where's your bunny? Here. I see your bunny. Oh, show me your bunny. There. There. I also did some hand and face painting using John Mirror's silky crayons. Ayan. At si Riley lang yung gustong magpa-paint, and the rest of the kids doesn't want to. There's the cat. And the bunny on the other side. There. You see it? And the car. Alright guys, so that was it. So it was just a short video of this Easter Sunday, and hope you had a blessed Holy Week. You guys stay safe always, and there, praying that I'm funny with this DIY, this mask. So if you wanna know how I did this, but actually just simple. Just cotton, colored paper, and some of these craft materials, and there. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button or share this video. Thank you. Bye.